Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Nur Aisyah, a third semester student majoring in English education. Welcome to my video. So today we are going to explore one of the essential skill in twofold structure, which is skill 9. Use noun clausa connectors correctly. Before we dive into the details, we need to know what a noun clausa is. A noun clausa is like a subordinate clausa that functions as a noun in the main sentence. It means a noun clausa can function as a subject, object of a verb, or object of a preposition. Now, let's discuss noun clausa connectors. A noun clausa connectors is a connecting word that links the main clausa with a noun clausa. These words are very important because they turn an ordinary clausa into a noun clausa. Some examples of noun clausa connectors that often appear are that, what, who, whom, whose, which, when, where, why, how, and whether. Noun clausa as object of verb. Okay, let's look at the first example. I know what you did. Here, the main sentence is I know, and the part what you did is a noun clausa. The word what function as a noun clausa connectors and also as an object of the verb did. It means what you did is the object of the verb now. Noun clausa as object of preposition. The next example is I am concerned about when he will arrive. Here, when he will arrive is a noun clausa that becomes the object of the preposition about. Noun clausa as subject. An example of noun clausa as a subject: what you did was wrong, or when he will arrive is not important. In both sentences, the noun clausa what you did and when he will arrive functions as the subject of the sentence. Now, let's try a TOEFL practice question. The problem is was late caused many problems. The options are A. That he, B. The driver, C. There, and D. Because. How do we answer it? First, let's look. There are two verbs, was and caused. It means there must be two subjects. Option B, C, and D are incorrect because they don't form a noun clausa or don't meet the required structure. So the correct answer is A. That he. So the complete sentence becomes that he was late caused many problems. Here, that he was late is a noun clausa that functions as the subject of the verb caused. Now, to make it easier to remember, here is the general patterns of noun clausa sentence. As a subject, that plus subject plus verb plus main verb. Example, that he was late caused many problems. As an object of verb, subject plus verb plus noun clausa. Example, I know what you did. As an object of preposition, subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun clausa. Example, I am concerned about when he will arrive. How is it, friends? Have you started to understand skill 9? Use noun clausa connectors correctly? The point is, in this skill, we'll learn how to connect two clausa correctly so that the second clausa can function as a noun in the sentence. Don't forget to recognize the position of the noun clause, whether it's a subject, object, or object of preposition. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next video and keep practicing your English. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.